So space tourism is certainly in focus right now, given the Bezos flight that's scheduled for tomorrow morning, or Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic just 8 days ago. Given the fact that you have put so much money to work in so many different space startups right now, do you see this as an investable moment?
I do. I think the retail investor is yet to participate in space. A lot of this has been sort of early stage angel investing. But as more companies go public and more capital flows to the sector, I think more retail investors can get involved. And so I think this is the beginning of space investment, not the end.
So when we talk about the beginning of space investment, where does space tourism fit within the broader sector as we see this commercial space economy emerge?
Well, I think one thing, it excites the retail investor. I think everyone's going to know an astronaut, let's say 2 years from now. And of course, today, that's quite a rare event. So I think, in many respects, it's inspiration that space tourism is bringing. And then I think more and more companies will follow the public path. We've seen a lot of SPACs recently, but I would anticipate traditional S1 filings as well.
There are the critics out there, the skeptics that will say what we're seeing right now with these space flights is billionaire boys with their toys. In terms of the broader impacts on business, on society, how do you see it?
I understand that thesis, and certainly we have a conversation in this country and in the world today about income inequality. So I understand the pushback, but I would say, we need to be hopeful. Inspiration and hope is really important to our civilization, I think. And I think if you look at Branson's flight last week and you look at a 70-year-old man, flying around in space with his shades on and, living his best life, so to speak, I just think that's a great example of the human spirit. So I would say, the prices will come down. We will democratize space. You mentioned Space for Humanity, and other organizations are looking to send people at no charge. So I think we should all rally behind this new moment for space. I think it's tremendously positive.
So what does this mean for Voyager specifically, especially since I know you're focused on things like manufacturing in space, which all of this space flight right now and the fall in prices to launch, I would imagine, is going to enable?
Yeah, well, we're on a public company path as well, so we anticipate hopefully filing later this year. That's certainly our intention. But what I would say is, if the last 10 years was about building access to space, credit Elon and SpaceX and others with building the elevator, the next 10 years will be about destinations. Where can we actually go? Private space stations, the moon, and even deeper space eventually, including Mars, of course. But I think the next 10 years will be about destinations.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.